Good morning, everyone. My name is Dhruv. Let's talk about planning in India. Planning genius. Planning in post-independence India has been driven by the five-year plans, which is a horizon of 5 years with a midterm review, and then the next five-year plan in exceptional year was war and other such situations. India has also opted for annual plans, also known as plan holiday. A break from the five-year plans. There was also a concept of rolling plan, which is also has a horizon of 5 years but allowing for connections mid-term or even annually depending on the performance under various heads. However, primarily in India, it has been the five-year plans, which each plan having a mid-term review. Planning in India is centralized, which provide a micro framework and developmental and investment need mobilization and resources to achieve desired level of growth. The responsibility of planning in India vests with the Planning Commission, which is not a planning commission. The plans are formulated by the Planning Commission and are approved by the National Development Council NDC with the Prime Minister as its chairman. The government of India is keeping with its reform agenda constitute in NITI Ayogo to replace the Planning of Commission Institute in 1950. This was done in order to better serve the needs or aspiration of the people of India and important evolutionary change from the past. NIT Ayogo acts as the quintessential platform of the government of India to bring states and act together in India investment interest and thereby forest cooperative friendlies. The National Institute for Transforming India, also called NITI Ayogo, was formed via a resolution of the Union Cabinet of January 1, 2015. NIT Ayogo is the primary policy think tank of the Government of India, providing both directional and policy input. Next topic is planning and marketing economy. It is a widely believed that planning in relevant of developing economics and absence of a market machining result in most economic decision being taken by the government. Thank you.